Hello everybody, this is Frank with Mathematical Boundaries, where math doesn't have to be a problem. Today we're going to be talking about fractions and how to multiply them. With that being said, let's just go ahead and look at a few examples. Let's say I have the fraction 4 over 7 times 3 over 2. The way we multiply fractions is we multiply straight across. You're going to multiply the numerator with the numerator, the denominator with the denominator. So when you multiply these fractions out, you're going to end up with 4 times 3 divided by 7 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and 7 times 2 is 14. Now, couple of things. Anytime that you multiply fractions, you do want to make sure that there's no common factors in the fraction. So make sure you get rid of any common factors and simplify as much as you can your solution. I know that 12 and 14 have a 2 in common because 2 times 6 is the same as 12, and also 2 times 7, of course, is 14. The 2's are just gonna go away. Turns out that 12 over 14 is just 6 over 7. And this is the most simplified form to write our product. Now let's take a look at a different example. Let's say that we have the fraction 6 over 7 times 4 over 5. We said that whenever you're multiplying fractions, you want to multiply straight across. The top with the top, the bottom with the bottom. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So your solution is going to look like 6 times 4 divided by 7 times 5. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 5 is 35. And it turns out that 35 does not have any common factors with 24. Therefore, your solution is just 24 over 35. Now, what happens if I have something a little bit different? Maybe we don't have just numbers and we have expressions, mathematical expressions like x plus 1 over x minus 2 times 3x over x plus 1. Well, this is just a multiplication of fractions. Therefore, we still multiply across. Top with top, bottom with bottom. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Therefore, when I multiply these two guys out, I end up with x plus 1 times 3x over x minus 2 times x plus 1. Now, I did not multiply these two guys across or FOIL or distribute because I want to point out something. Whenever you're multiplying fractions, you still want to see if you can get that fraction into its lowest terms. In this case, I do have an x plus 1 on the top and an x plus 1 on the bottom. Those two can be viewed as common factors of the whole product of both the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, these guys are going to go away. This divides by that equally, and 1 is going to be 1, and you're left with just 3x over x minus 2. And actually, I don't need a parentheses right there. But there you have it. That is how we multiply fractions straight across. Now, if you have any topics you'd like us to review and help you out, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, and stay math bound. Remember, math doesn't have to be a problem. We'll see you next time. Take care.